The new Galaxy Watch 7.
The Galaxy Watch 7
Watch 7, baby.
on my wrist a couple of weeks ago.
Yo, what's up everybody? MKBHD here. And today we're diving deep into the world of wearable tech with the Galaxy Watch 7. Samsung's latest attempt to dominate your wrist is finally here. And you know I had to get my hands on it. Is it a game changer, a smartwatch superhero, or just another pretty face? We're about to find out. Now I've been rocking smartwatches for years, from clunky first attempts to sleek app-powered marvels. But every time a new one drops, I get that same rush of excitement. Will this be the one that finally replaces my phone? Will it help me unlock superhuman abilities? Okay, probably not, but a tech enthusiast can dream, right? So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's unbox this bad boy together. Alright, let's crack open this box and see what we're working with. First up, we got the watch itself. Ooh, she's a beaut! The design is classic Samsung with that premium minimalist vibe. We'll dive deeper into the looks later. Underneath, we've got the charging puck, gotta keep that battery juiced. And of course, the usual suspects. Instruction manuals, warranty cards, you know the drill. First impressions, this thing feels solid. Not heavy, but substantial, like a well-crafted watch should. The display is bright, the rotating bezel clicks satisfyingly. Yeah, I'm already digging this. But enough about the unboxing experience, let's get into the good stuff. The features, the performance, and whether this watch is worthy of a spot on your wrist. Okay, let's talk aesthetics. The Galaxy Watch 7 is a looker, no doubt. It comes in two sizes, 41mm and 45mm, so you can find the perfect fit for your wrist. And the display? Chef's kiss. It's a beautiful AMOLED panel with vibrant colors and deep blacks. Even in direct sunlight, I had no problem reading notifications or navigating the interface. And let's not forget about customization. Samsung offers a ton of watch faces to choose from classic analog to futuristic digital displays. You can even use your own photos as backgrounds. Plus, the rotating bezel isn't just for show. It makes scrolling through menus and notifications a breeze. It's intuitive, responsive, and just plain fun to use. Trust me, once you go rotating bezel, you never go back. Now, for the million-dollar question, how does this thing actually perform? In a word, flawlessly. But let's dive deeper into what makes it so impressive. The Galaxy Watch 7 packs a powerful processor and plenty of RAM, so apps open quickly. Animations are buttery smooth, and there's no lag to be found. Whether you're opening your favorite fitness app or just checking notifications, the experience is seamless. Samsung's One UI Watch 4.5 runs the show here, and it's a clean, intuitive experience. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to navigate through the various features and settings without any hassle. It's not Wear OS, which some people might miss, but honestly, I don't think you're missing out on much. The One UI Watch offers a unique experience that stands out on its own, with plenty of customization options and features that cater to a wide range of users. Samsung Pay, Bix, RIP, Samsung Health. All your favorite Samsung apps are here, and they work seamlessly with the watch. Whether you're making a quick payment or tracking your daily steps, the integration is smooth and reliable. And of course, you can download a ton of third-party apps from the Galaxy Store. The selection is growing, and you'll find apps for everything from productivity to entertainment. Is it as robust as the Apple Watch app ecosystem? Maybe not, but it's getting there. The Galaxy Store is continually expanding, and more developers are creating apps specifically for Samsung smartwatches. The growth in app availability is promising, and it's clear that Samsung is committed to enhancing the user experience by offering more choices. For everyday use, I had zero complaints about performance. The watch handled everything I threw at it with ease, from fitness tracking to managing notifications, making it a reliable companion for daily activities. Alright, let's talk battery life, the one thing that can make or break your smartwatch experience. It's often the Achilles heel of many a smartwatch, leaving users frustrated when their device dies at the most inconvenient times. Now, Samsung claims up to 40 hours of battery life on a single charge, which sounds impressive on paper. But let's be real, that's a best-case scenario under ideal conditions. In my testing with moderate use, I was able to squeeze out a solid day and a half. That includes notifications, fitness tracking, even listening to music during my workouts. This means you can go about your day without constantly worrying about finding a charger. Now, if you're a heavy user, constantly bombarding your wrist with notifications, tracking every step you take, and streaming Spotify 24/7, then yeah, you're probably going to need to charge it every night. But for most people, this level of usage is more than adequate. The battery life is sufficient for daily activities, and you won't find yourself tethered to a charging cable all the time. And when you do need to juice up, the fast charging is a lifesaver. Just a few minutes on the charger will give you enough power to get through the day. This is especially handy if you forget to charge it overnight. So whether you're a casual user or someone who pushes their smartwatch to the limits, the battery life on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 is more than capable of keeping up with your needs. And with the added benefit of fast charging, you can rest easy knowing that your watch will be ready to go when you are. So go ahead, enjoy your Netflix binge, track your workouts, and stay connected. Your smartwatch has got you covered. Hold up, fitness fanatics! This section's for you. The Galaxy Watch 7 comes loaded with fitness tracking features that'll make your heart rate monitor sing. We're talking heart rate tracking, sleep analysis, blood oxygen monitoring, even ECG and blood pressure monitoring. This thing's practically a doctor on your wrist. It automatically tracks a bunch of workouts like running, cycling, swimming, yes, it's waterproof, and more. And the data it collects is pretty comprehensive. You can see your heart rate zones, pace, elevation gain, all that good stuff. Now, is it as accurate as a dedicated fitness tracker? It's close, but honestly, for most people, it's more than enough to keep you motivated and on track with your fitness goals. Now let's not forget what a smartwatch is supposed to do: make your life easier. And the Galaxy Watch 7 delivers on that front. You can receive notifications from all your favorite apps, respond to texts and emails right from your wrist, yes, even with your voice, and even take calls without ever pulling out your phone. The built-in speaker and microphone are surprisingly good, and I had no problem hearing calls, even in noisy environments. Plus, you can control your music, set alarms, check the weather, and even use it to find your phone when you inevitably lose it somewhere in the abyss of your couch cushions. It's all the little things that add up to a truly connected experience. Section 8, the Is It Worth It? Question. Let's talk value. The price. The Galaxy Watch 7 doesn't come cheap. It's a premium smartwatch and it comes with a premium price tag. But, and this is a big but, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. The build quality is top-notch, the display is gorgeous, performance is smooth, and the feature set is impressive. Is it the most expensive smartwatch out there? Nope. Is it the cheapest? Also nope. But in the world of premium wearables, I think it strikes a good balance between price and features. Ultimately, whether or not it's worth the price is a personal decision. But if you're looking for a premium smartwatch experience with all the bells and whistles, the Galaxy Watch 7 is definitely worth considering. Let's dive a bit deeper into what makes this watch stand out. The fitness tracking capabilities are second to none. From heart rate monitoring to sleep tracking, it covers all the bases. Plus, the seamless integration with your smartphone means you can take calls, respond to messages, and even control your music right from your wrist. Battery life is another strong point. You won't find yourself constantly searching for a charger. And did I mention it's water resistant? Perfect for those who love swimming or just want peace of mind during a rainy run. Customization options are plentiful, allowing you to make the watch truly your own. So when you consider all these features, the Galaxy Watch 7 offers a comprehensive package that justifies its price. It's not just a smartwatch, it's a versatile companion that enhances your daily life. So if you're in the market for a smartwatch that delivers on all fronts, the Galaxy Watch 7 is definitely worth a closer look. Section 9. Galaxy Watch 7 versus the competition. Who wears the crown? Of course, no smartwatch review would be complete without comparing it to the competition. The biggest one, of course, is the Apple Watch. And look, the Apple Watch is a great smartwatch, especially if you're deep in the Apple ecosystem. But the Galaxy Watch 7 holds its own. With its sleek design, intuitive rotating bezel, and comprehensive health and fitness features, Then you've got other Wear OS watches, like those from Fossil and Mobvoi. These offer a more customizable experience, but they often lag behind in performance and battery life. The Galaxy Watch 7 strikes a good balance between those two extremes, offering a polished and refined experience that's hard to beat. So, the moment of truth, should you buy the Galaxy Watch 7? If you're looking for the best overall Android smartwatch experience, then absolutely. It's got everything you could want in a smartwatch. A gorgeous display, smooth performance, comprehensive health and fitness tracking, and a sleek, stylish design. Is it perfect? No. The battery life could be better, and the app ecosystem isn't quite as robust as Apple's. But overall, the Galaxy Watch 7 is an incredibly impressive smartwatch that's sure to impress even the most discerning tech enthusiast. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this smartwatch. Are you planning to pick one up, or are you sticking with your current wrist companion? Big thanks to Samsung for sending this over for me to check out. As always, make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more tech goodness coming your way. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any future uploads.